People usually see the aircraft ready for flight, but they don't see what's really happening behind the scenes. My name is Michel Pereira. I am base maintenance supervisor at Falcon Technic here at DWC. And this is what a typical day looks like for me. Morning guys. My day starts usually at 7 a.m. and we take our own Falcon bus which brings us to the hangar. I'll start by going through the maintenance tasks for the day. Then it's a lot of coordinations with the team, making sure everything is aligned and nothing is missed. And then I dispatch the work between mechanics, engineers, and depending on what's the priority of the day and what we want to achieve. It's not just basic maintenance. We handle everything from routine checks to full aircraft refurbishment, all in-house. So depending on the aircraft, the work can be very different from one day to another. Every detail matters here. At Falcon Technic, safety is always the priority. So whenever we work at heights, we always use straps. We protect ourselves. We invest a lot in trainings, certifications, and making sure everyone stays up to date. We have a strong team of qualified engineers, B1 engineers, B2 engineers, mechanics, licensed engineers, avionics, mechanicals, and structural. Each one is specialized, and together we cover every part of the aircraft. Nothing is left to one person. It's always a team effort. And that makes a good day of work, and we go home from there.